All right, this is for an 2005 Chevy Trailblazer. No start, no crank. And I've been racking my brain the last couple days on this. I've been working on and off for like the last 2 days. And I wasn't getting nothing. The car just kind of died on me. It was dead in the water and wouldn't even ding. So I played around with it, checked the fuses, did the battery thing, and I had still no start, no crank, just still dead in the water. So I'm going to tell you what I did. So if you're running this problem, you're not taking 2 days like I was trying to resolve this problem. I won't even get the radio. I didn't have no power windows, nothing electrical. If it was electrical, it was dead in the water. That's my multimeter, don't pay no attention. As you can see now, it starts up. Everything's fine with it now, so it seems getting charged on the battery. It starts when it's supposed to. All the electronics work. I'm going to show you what I did though. Bear with me. Alright, this is on the passenger side floorboard. As you can see, this is be your kick panel on the, not the kick panel, but it's the carpet right there beside the center console. Okay, there's your radio. What I did is you take this screw out and then you pull this carpet back. I already put everything back in there, but there's a little module about 2x2. Go ahead and take, like I did, a drill and just go in there and nick up them contact points. You had to, I had to take it away from the metal, and when I did, there was not, the metal still had paint on it from where it was in the factory over 20 years ago. It's February of 25, and this is an 05 Chevy Trailblazer. So that paint looked like it just came off the factory floor. It was still that good, almost like a porcelain enamel. So I buffed it up real good, and then I hooked everything back up there, and then I closed it up, went back and checked my battery, made sure that I was still getting positive charge, and everything started right up, didn't miss a beat. So if you're having a no crank, no start, no radio, no power locks, power windows, if it has to deal with power and it's not coming in one, start right here with this one. And that way you're not wasting time and money. Things I was reading was saying change the starter crank relay, change this module, change the key ignition switch. But I just kept on getting my power light out and checking everything, and I knew that somewhere, it was actually on my key switch, the battery that goes into the key switch was showing very weak on my test light. So with that being said, I knew that there was a grounding issue, because I knew that I had like 14, on the battery. So with that being said, if you have that problem, no crank, no start, check right here. All right, I hope this helps somebody out. Have a good one.